Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to delete your PicsArt account. To delete your PicsArt account, first of all, open up the PicsArt application from your mobile device and then make sure that you're logged into your account. From the home page, click on the human icon at the bottom right hand corner and tap on it. Now click on Edit Profile on the next page. Inside the profile section, you will be able to see the delete account button. Tap on it and then select any one reason why you are trying to delete your account. Remember that your subscription won't be cancelled if you remove your account. You will need to cancel it separately. To continue deleting your account, select any one option. You will then need to log into the account that you used to sign up in order to confirm your account's deletion. Follow through the instructions till the end and log into your account using your credentials, and you'll then be able to delete your PicsArt account. So that is how you can delete your PicsArt account. Once the account is deleted, you will not be able to recover any of your data. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.